Hello friends, volcano is over as you know, and I'm here in a beautiful valley called Elliðaardalur in Reykjavik. Different types of birds here you see. It's one of the most beautiful hiking areas in Reykjavik, I would say. There are beautiful trails here for biking and hiking, and the river here, as you see, a salmon fishing river called Ellidaardalur. You see, Iceland can be quite green, and a beautiful waterfall that I called Kermoa Falls. Góðan daginn. There are numerous trails through the valley. It's a really nice place to hike, and very refreshing now after the rain. We had a lot of rain. See, it's a real forest here, very green. Lots of coniferous trees. Very beautiful place to be and hike. See how beautiful it is here and refreshing now after the rain. And there are quite a few big trees here around, as you see in Iceland. Not all Iceland is treeless. Lots of flowers in between. People hiking here, running around, you see. So not all Iceland is just lava and volcanoes and wasteland. There are beautiful places around Iceland, as you see. Started to rain again now. But it is actually lava all around here under the crust, thin crust of ground, because there was a lava flow along the river here 5,000 years ago, even here, so it's kind of overgrown with moss. But you dig a bit deeper, you see this is basalt. It's a basalt lava here under. Very thin layer of ground. And you come to lava, real lava, you see basalt lava flow. Even here in Reykjavik, as you can imagine. So wherever you dig in Iceland, you come on lava, you see there is just very thin layer of ground here. But trees are growing. Anyway, talk to you later.